when you say measurable outcomes and results, what does that actually mean in reality? When, you know, if we're talking to data leaders to know, hey, you need to change, you need to refocus, what actually are we driving towards?
Yeah. So I think the first thing is to understand the reason why we're doing things, and being able to measure that. And then the context, and sort of the principle that we use in Rapid is we start with what we refer to as value generating initiatives. So instead of starting with, we want to build this AI model, or we need to do this because somebody else has done it, we fundamentally look at why are we what do we need to solve for the business, right? So business would typically have KPIs or strategic objectives or directives that says we need to increase revenue by X within a certain segment for our business in order to survive, right? So it's something very clear from a business perspective. What we then do is we break that down and we say, what are the foundational things that you need to put in place in order to speak to that value, enable that value for that value case. Now, the realization that we saw is, and the reason why a lot of these projects actually fail, is that the objective wasn't clear in the first place, and the objective wasn't value. The objective was probably more than likely linked to, let's enable something, or let's do something, or we need this so that we can do X, Y, and Z, or we're implementing a new ERP, and because of this, we need to have a data platform, as an example.
Yeah.
And not really clearly thinking about what's the determinate business value that we'll get from making this investment. And once, or if they don't have that as their true north star, whatever you want to call it, the problem is that they end up delivering something that doesn't really deliver value.